And I'm say big up Popcaan again because if I some other man, maybe them would have jerk up Prettidon, because when Prettidon I go hard, on her live them she go hard and she rub and she scrub and she this and shit. You know what I mean?
I know nobody don't know. If Popcaan backside thump or kick me, nobody don't know.
Why? Me I tell you, when I come a man in chat, it's 12 straight, you know. Don't add nothing, don't leave out nothing, you know. Alright.
Yo, what I tell you, you know, so me not like vlogger do. Vlogger them corrupt, you know. God, when I vlogger them on YouTube say one pregnant lady did it and her water bus.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, man. Blessed love, blessed Sabbath, blessed day. Good morning, you know. Give thanks to life, health, and strength. I don't know. Livefoot TV. See me out in my Arsenal. And I mean, ready, preparing. I celebrate for early, you know. Yeah, Arsenal, Tottenham. Tottenham, Arsenal, the London derby. Arsenal is travel to Tottenham. You see me? But this is not about football. Shout out to the Gooners, them. Like and share, subscribe, and click the bell. And check out Arsenal Referee and Coach TV. You know the man of peace. Zin? Yeah. So I don't know, I love we say blessed Sabbath. Zin? To each and everyone, Jamaica, the whole diaspora. Peace, love, and unity. I beg the youth them to stop the crime, stop the violence. Yeah, man, so in this vlog, yeah, you don't know, it's a quick update. I want to pay kudos to Popcaan. Kudos to Popcaan and him clique, them unruly gang them, for behaving in a peaceful manner, a calmful manner. You know what I mean? And also Prettidon for being humbled. Yes, man, so Prettidon kind of spoke on the matter, but she said she's going to do her live today. So everybody awaits to hear what Prettidon has to say. You know, one of our friends come talk already and thing, and Prettidon has said, Popcaan never really him talk, but she not answer, she not open her mouth. Him just talk for over a minute and thing, you know, kind of bother up and thing and rare. But me just want to say big up Popcaan, because it could have escalated. You know, some man could have get in a maze and rush them and girt them up or touch, you know. But that never go on. Popcaan just confront her, make sure she knows a rare. I don't know, so enough time Prettidon also style Popcaan, diss him, shade him, and big him up too. You know, Prettidon that she do her comedy and she diss people and she big them up, give them praise when them forget them praise. So, I'm here the man of peace, I'm here try to speak the thing justifyingly. So I just want to say, Popcaan approach, but him never make no fist, never throw no punch, never draw no lick, nothing. Him just say, lift up off of the beach or whatever went down, you see me? Yeah, so here Prettidon I say on her live, on the TikTok live, she and you're doing a slick white line and Otto.
Cha! Unruly river. And you can't dare in a river. You have to lift up.
Popcaan never said that. I see all of the bumbucklad people them already there. One time Popcaan said, well, he said, Popcaan did not say that.
What did Popcaan say?
That's why me have my own YouTube.
But me think you make that video there ready, dog. Oh, you make other videos.
So you want me to run 2 uses vlogger drop video last night. I know you. Well, Popcaan talk, Prettidon attack. I know. None of 2 when they said they didn't scuffle, I say nothing.
Scuffle?
You can't tell more about YouTube. And that did say, if you think say that did say, you hear me say nothing for YouTube, bro? Patsy, since you did talk, you hear me say nothing for YouTube, ma'am? You hear me come out and say something to you, lady? Did I say something to any of you underneath this live, yeah? Hey, lady, you hear me say something out of my mouth? Eh? You chat too much, man. You not gonna tell me about blood clot. You don't say what they say on YouTube. Don't fuck up. I I never said anything. You chat too much, Patsy, man. You chat too much. Talk when you hear on YouTube. You don't get nothing from blood clot me. I know me not say nothing. I know nobody don't know. If Popcaan backside thump or kick me, nobody don't know. Popcaan have a whole conversation with me.
But
One good 1 minute conversation.
so like we don't have a little mini reasoning.
I did not say nothing. Popcaan spoke and I listened. That's what happened. When the blood clot there.
It's a lecture.
Boy, me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
I'll tell you a thing now. Yes, if from the start of the story there, it start from the book me couple of days and realize that me in I parish, man.
Oh, so it's my time pedal, yo.
So, Dad, when you were making your way out, I don't know if you were making your way out briskly, swiftly, or slowly and calmly. But I was told to ask a question, why was the bumper hit? Like when you were reversing it, I did nerving us.
Who said that bumper?
Who
Get?
got bumper?
Eh? That's what they said that the copy bumper. I
can't drive.
To my
So who for bumper then top?
Eh?
Who for the bumper then top?
No bumper no dental.
Why? Me I tell you, when I come a man in chat, it's 12 straight, you know. Don't add nothing, don't leave out nothing, you know. Alright.
Yo, what I tell you, know, so me not like vlogger do. Vlogger them corrupt, you know. God, when I vlogger them on YouTube say one pregnant lady did it and a water bus.
Well, I know, but see, I right there's a pregnancy and we so we are that about.
A water bus with you.
See, I right there's a pregnant as fuck, see, and we so we water about.
Sitting go so then, to pull sick class.
Must have in the hospital.
What? See, Shy, yes, so we hospital.
Times 2, Mr. Let's go.
And what this, Shy? You when you go hospital? You baby one?
My side.
Why that they should be the other side of the parish?
My
You
side,
don't know
one
how you
glasses.
reach over there, so 2 other at my side.
I'm not team.
Right, me bright and fierce, this.
Yeah, look, two are not my side.
You can't see man with one guy and man bomb.
Push up for myself, man. 2 are not.
Guys, 2 more
Side,
and
everybody catch it up,
Anna.
catch it up.
Guys,
What happened? I lie still, you know. See quite like 40, you know. The one said the bait Uber and the water bus. After. Viewers and subscribers, time I tell us that it's social media. I don't want easy things, so you know, a peace and love is the same way, and I'm say big up Popcaan again, because if I some other man maybe them would have jerk up Prettidon, because when Prettidon go hard, pan her live them she go hard and she rub and she scrub and she this and shit. You know what I mean? Yeah, so Popcaan just reach out and say, yo, lift up, Ray, you some coulda Ray, I'm gonna do that. You see me, so more big up Popcaan for all him composure. And you know, Prettidon a circle go. You have to be careful for the ground you're there. What Popcaan won't do, someone else might have done. So when I say, another man of peace, I was a lion foot. TV, Arsenal, out in my colours, you know? Yeah, tomorrow Sunday, Arsenal, Tottenham. I'm dead. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. And Jamaica, so on the ground. Love and unity, we say, saying, we not stop try. We are crying for peace, and we say we're tired and fed up of it. Check out the EP, Welcome to Kingston. Blessed love.